Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, how was the test that I took on the last working day of chapter number 1 and 2 of grammar? So, today we are going to start with the next revision lecture, that is the summary lecture of chapter number 3, 4 and 5 of grammar. Chapter number 3 is sentence type. Chapter number 4 is questions. Then chapter number 5 is commands. Today we are going to revise all these 3 chapters thoroughly. Fine. So let us start. So you all can read these kind of sentences. See, I will read for you all. The school is closed on Sundays. My school is far from my house. Will you be my friend? Which color do you like the most? Was the baby sleeping? Wow, look at that beautiful lady. Alas, we have lost the match. Get up. Please give me a glass of water. So these are different kind of sentences. They are expressing something. Some of them are the sentence in which we are asking questions. Some are the simple sentences. So they are different kinds of sentences. See the first one. The school is closed on Sunday. Sunday को विद्यालय बंद रहता है. ठीक है. This is a simple sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. My school is far from my house. मेरा विद्यालय मेरे घर से दूर है. It is again a simple sentence. We are not asking something. We are not giving any command, no request, no advice, no suggestion. Will you be my friend? क्या तुम मेरे दोस्त बनोगे? So in this we are asking a question from someone. किसी से कोई सवाल पूछ रहे हैं हम. और इसके पीछे क्या है? प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह. तो जब हम किसी से कोई सवाल पूछते हैं, those kind of sentences are known as interrogative sentences. क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें? Interrogative sentences. Next is which color do you like the most? तुम्हें कौन सा रंग सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? Again we are asking the question over here. So these are interrogative kind of sentence. So they all are mixed. Now let us start with a kind of sentence. See, basically there are 4 kind of sentence. 4 प्रकार के वाक्य होते हैं हमारे पास. First one is declarative sentence. That is a simple sentence that starts with a full stop. That starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Then we have interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we ask question and it starts with a full capital letter and ends with a question mark. प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. Exclamatory, विस्मयादिबोधक, in which we express our strong feelings, sudden feelings. Then we have imperative sentences in which we give order, command, request, advice. Fine. So let us start with the first type, that is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence or the assertive sentences states or assert or declare a fact. They are the simple sentences. वह मेरा दोस्त है. He is my friend. It's a simple sentence. कुछ पूछ नहीं रहे उसमें, कोई भावना नहीं प्रकट हो रही, कुछ बोल नहीं रहे किसी को. It's a simple sentence. बिल्कुल साधारण वाक्य है. That is a declarative sentence. Fine. So there are the few examples of declarative sentences. The sky is blue. आकाश नीला है. I am 3rd grade student. We will go to the movies tomorrow. He is a great reader. We have a program in the evening. Our class is having a party on Friday. So they are the simple class sign kind of sentences. They are starting with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Fine. The next is this declarative kind is divided into 2 kinds. इसके अलग से 2 प्रकार होते हैं. That is, one is affirmative sentence. Then we have is negative sentence. Now we will study both these 2 kinds. See, assertive, affirmative these are assertive sentences, simple sentences which makes a statement or any assertion. बिल्कुल साधारण वाक्य है. My name is Goldilocks. I live on hill. Abdul is working hard. She is my best friend. They are fighting with each other. My mother is very happy. I love my parents. They are starting with capital letter and ending with full stop. Nothing special in these. Now next is negative sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences in which deny, जिसमें हम कुछ कार्य करने के लिए मना कर रहे हैं, कोई काम करने के लिए मना कर रहे हैं, in which we deny something और contains a negative statement, जिसमें हम उनका यूज करते हैं no, not, never. See the examples. He does not like this painting. He is not interested in the project. Now not depicts over here that it's a negative sentence. There are no car on the road. There was not a single bus stand at the station. Single bus at the station. It does not perform well all times. He will not disobey the law. So these are the negative sentences जिसमें हम कुछ काम करने से मना कर रहे हैं या कुछ चीज़ नहीं है ना, that is negative. Then we have the second type is interrogative sentence, प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य जिसमें हम कुछ प्रश्न पूछते हैं. An interrogative sentence ask question, प्रश्न पूछते हैं, that I have already told you. This type of sentence is usually asked directly to someone. मतलब एकदम से हम किसी से जब भी कोई प्रश्न पूछते हैं तो वो होता है हमारा प्रश्नवाचक, that is interrogative sentence, जो शुरू होता है capital letter and it ends with the full stop, question mark, प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह. This type of sentence ends with the question mark. Now look at few of the examples. Can you repeat the question? वो पूछ रहा है क्या आप ये सवाल दोहरा सकते हैं, दोबारा से बोल सकते हैं. Are you going to have recess today? What is your favorite movie? How do you answer this question? Do you have an extra pencil? तो इसमें हम कुछ पूछते हैं, कुछ सवाल करते हैं, वो होते हैं हमारे those are interrogative sentences. Next kind is, third is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory होते हैं विस्मय आदि बोधक, जिसमें हम अपनी भावनाएं प्रकट करते हैं. भावनाओं को हम तो छू नहीं सकते तो उनको हम इनके द्वारा लिख पाते हैं. A sentence that expresses a sudden feeling. फीलिंग कैसी भावना है, खुशी, सौरो, दुख, किसी पे क्षमता, पिटी, कंटेम्प्ट, एडमिरेशन, सरप्राइज, गुस्सा, एंगर, etc. Fine. So these are the sentences in which we express our sudden feelings, strong feelings. See the examples. What a beautiful picture it is. कितनी ही सुंदर तस्वीर है ये. अपनी भावना बता रहे हैं हम इसमें. How foolish he is. कितना मूर्ख है वह. Alas, he is ruined. वह बर्बाद हो गया. दुख की बात है. Alas, hooray, bravo, congratulation, hello, wow. So these are few exclamatory words which are used before the sentence. What a fierce beast it is. Beast means जानवर. Hooray, I won the match. Hello, how are you? What a beautiful country. Wow, look at that fabulous lady. So in these all the kind of sentences, in these kind of sentences, we are expressing our strong feelings. अपनी भावनाएं बता रहे हैं हम. Next kind is, see the last one is imperative sentence. This imperative sentences gives a command. इसमें क्या होता है, कोई command देते हैं. Makes a request. कोई request कर रहे हैं किसी से काम, कुछ काम की request कर रहे हैं हम. Expresses a wish. कोई अपनी इच्छा प्रकट करते हैं, इसमें हम इच्छा भी बताते हैं, किसी को ऑर्डर भी देते हैं, किसी को सजेशन भी देते हैं, एडवाइस भी. So see the examples over here. Go to your class. This is a order. And this is a chapter number 4 of your book, chapter number 5, sorry. And in that book of perseverance, over there is a chapter 5 and it is written commands. So these commands are basically known as imperative sentences. इन commands को ही बोलते हैं हम imperative sentences. और chapter number 4 है जो है questions. Questions को बोलते हैं हम interrogative. See this one which I have already told you. This is chapter number 4, interrogative. उनको हम बोलते हैं questions. Fine. Then these are imperative. इनको बोलते हैं हम commands. This is chapter number 5 of your perseverance book. Now see the example. Go to your class. Order है मेरा, जाओ अपनी कक्षा में. Please lend me your pencil. Now this is a request. Get up flat quickly. Please return back to your seat, on your seat. Be quiet. Again a request. Kindly pass the book. Again there is a request. So when we give some command, order, request, advice, suggestion, those are imperative sentences. I hope you all have understood. So all the 3 chapters I have covered in this. That is chapter number, see, that is chapter number 3. That is the sentence type. Then I have covered that chapter number 4, that is questions. Those are known as interrogative sentences. Then chapter number 5, commands. Those are known as imperative sentences. So that's it for today. This was the summary lecture. Then I will be giving you one assignment, then solution of that assignment. Then I will be taking the test of all these 3 chapters. Thank you.